ito guys ay Kentucky Fried Chicken. Ayan naman ang French fries. Nasa loob ng supot pa. Ayan, crunchy ang Kentucky Fried Chicken. At ito yung bread. Ayan ang bread. Free bread yan. Crunchy fried chicken, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Diba guys, tara na, kain na tayo, papakin lang natin ito. Ito ang nakasabot na French fries. Ayan lang. On the way pa yung aming soft drinks, nasa loob pa ng ref. Ayan, with soft drinks.